Ooh, a message from Matthew? Ooh, nope. Wait, he wants to meet up today? Yay! But first, an outfit. Oh, hello there. Looking for some clothes, are we? I have a date, see? Ah, I have something perfect for you. Gross! And this? That's a no for sure. Now go try these on, okay? Well, isn't that darling? Very modest, of course. And what's an outfit without pearls? Is that really necessary, Mom? Oh, this is so bad. Aww. Stand up straight. Oh, they just grow up so fast. Ugh. Stupid pearls! I'm covered up from head to toe! I know. Less fabric is more, and I'm talking way less in this case. Hey, a little bit of skin never hurt anyone. So much better. And no more sleeves. Or long shirt for that matter. Okay, now that the bra is secured, slip the sleeves back on. Cute, right? Matthew? You recognize me, huh? Not exactly. I mean, is this even the same guy? So… Oh yeah, I was definitely tricked. Hey, Gina. Ready for a date? Wait a minute. Two of you? Hey, what are you doing here? Yep, that's what I thought. I'm sure relieved. I should have mentioned I had a twin. Yeah, it's all good though. Wow, check it out! So it's a strap. Whatever. Ouch! So weird. Hey, good to see you, Stacy! Uh-oh. Ouch! Oh, I'm so sorry. It's fine. Oh, hey! Is she okay? Hey! Did I travel back in time? What's wrong? Oh, well… this strap's causing trouble. I prefer the strap-free look. But how? Oh! Just a simple trick. But it works. Just take the strap and hook it on. Alongside the other one. Ta-da! Problem solved! Thanks! But wait… Hey, can you help me? On my way. Phew. So, my ride's here. Well… Whoa! Gotta go! There. That ought to do it. What a trip! But I'm back! And without the unsightly strap. Shut your eyes. No peeking, okay? Wow! And this… You didn't! I can't believe it! You're not gonna believe this! Bye! No kiss? Not even a thank you? Wow, this ride is so sick, right? Let's take it for a test drive! Yes! Faster! For the gram! Ooh, eyes on the road. Nice! Hey, check it out! Oh, I guess that's okay. Cool. Great! Oh no! It's getting pretty strong up here! Wait! My sweater's sliding off! No! I lost it back there! Whoa! I have nothing on! Wait, you have to stop! Take a deep breath. Let me think here. Of course! Just use my bandana. Oh, okay. This can work! It's all about clever folding. Tie the triangle around your waist. And make sure the knot's tight. Then flip the triangle up, like so. And tuck it into your necklace. Looks cute, doesn't it? Wow. So adorable! Now let's get going. But first… Fine, you can drive. Now we can go. This feels way better already. Nothing like feeling the wind in your hair. No! The tree! I should have kept the keys. It was an accident. Sorry. Oh, man. Hi. We need help. We crashed. What? You're okay, though? Phew. At least my makeup's okay. Wow! She's coming out! Look! Thank you, thank you. I can't believe how good she sounds! Did she just wink at me? Everybody hands up! This is so much fun! We'll remember this forever! Excuse me, can I get back there? Please? Hey! My jeans! Look what you've done! Oh man. This was my favorite pair, too! Unless… my chain! I got this! Make both legs even and use scissors to cut here. Up the entire outer seam. Oh, stop! Now take this clip and slide it here. Once it's in place, hammer it down. Take the lid off and you're left with these great holes. The chain strings right through. And done! Ta-da! Does she like flowers? Interesting pants. I'm feeling generous today. Here you go! Oh gosh, thanks! Whoa! Amazing pants! They really are eye-catching, huh? I just love happy accidents. Woohoo! Amazing! Did we come on the right day or what? These shoes are on sale. Best day ever! Hey! Your ice cream! Oh no! What are you doing? Don't cry, sweetie. Oh goodness. Oh! Would you like these shoes? No! I don't know what to do then. Wait, I think I have an idea. I just need a little bit of help. First, put on a generous helping of whipped cream. But instead of eating it, pour on some paint. Ooh, looks pretty awesome already. Whoa! Cool! I saved the best color for last. Down you go! You didn't think I was done, did you? Make sure to get onto the sides, too. Just wait till you see it finished. And once the colors have sat for a bit, find a towel and wipe the shoes in one fell swoop. Voila! So fabulous! It almost looks like tie-dye. Just takes a motherly touch. Any kid would love these. Thank you, Mommy! I love them! My mommy's one of a kind. Just like my shoes. Find any of these clothing hacks useful? We'd love to get our hands on a pair of those chain-lace shorts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. I am working this outfit. I should be on the catwalk. I need to strut my stuff.
Huh? Whoa, it's Annie! Time to bring my A-game. You look amazing.
I better get ready for class. I don't want to be late. Wait, Jake?
Maybe we could hang out later?
Anyone can look good in a dress. How much? Seriously? Looks like I need a different approach. Hey, I can use this bag. Yeah, this'll do. Let's get to work. This looks better than I imagined. I feel so glamorous. But there's one more thing to do. Oh, hi, Jake.
Oh, gotta go, Annie. Luna, I'm so glad to see you. I'm loving the new look.
Huh? What is she wearing? It looks like a trash bag.
Knitting is so relaxing.
Mom, look at this! There's a school party!
Let me see that. I guess you can go.
I'm gonna need a new outfit. I can't wear this.
Let me think. I'll be right back.
I'll be waiting! This party will be so much fun! Mom?
What do you think? You'll look so cute. Try it on.
Is this a joke? What happened to it? There are holes in it. You can't be serious! There's no way I'm wearing this! You can't make me!
I thought you might say that. You don't understand fashion. I'll take another look. There must be something you can wear. Maybe not. Hang on. What's that? It's a piece of cardboard. It's a little dusty, but it's still good. We can turn it into something special. Oh, Annie?
What am I gonna do?
This will solve all our problems.
Are you sure about this?
It needs some work, but I know what to do. Don't move.
Mom! Wait! Stop! This is so weird.
I'm a genius. You look stunning.
Wow, how'd you do that? It looks great!
Let me do one more thing. We'll lose these glasses.
Whoa! Everything's so blurry! But I feel fabulous! I'm like a model. Ooh, I think I ate some hair. Thanks, Mom. You're the best!
I guess I am. I need to capture this moment. Strike a pose.
I better go. Bye, Mom!
She's growing up so fast. Whoop whoop! I love this song! I can't stop dancing!
Hey, Brian. Can I get you a drink?
Oh yeah.
This is a great party. I'm so glad Brian's here. I mean, look at him. He's perfect. I could watch him move all day. Who knew he had rhythm? And he's so cute. Oh no! My skirt! Oh, it's ruined! This is a disaster! What am I gonna do? Wait, I have an idea. I can use my shirt. Yeah, this'll do. On second thought… I thought that would work.
I'm really working up a sweat. Phew, it's getting toasty in here.
Wait, that's it! I'll need to be quick. Come on, where is it? Got it! Let's do this. I'll fasten the top button. Then I'll wrap them around my waist. It'll be the perfect fit. Now I'll button them together. I need to hide my skirt. That's all of them. Next I'll turn up the collars. And I'll put a belt on. This'll hold it in place. I'll use the colors to conceal it. But what about the sleeves? Ah, I know. I'll tie them at the back. Wow! This looks so good! Oh, Brian, I've got your soda.
Oh, just what I need. Ooh, I like the fit.
You do? Wow! I designed it myself.
Yeah, you look fresh. Wait a second. That looks familiar. Where did my shirt go? What is going on?
Let's dance.
Sounds good to me!
What's your best fashion tip? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.